Go again.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Greene, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, North Central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, until 1 p.m. At 12:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McGovern, or over Canonsburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township,
Oh no! Bethel Park!
McKeesport, Washington, Franklin Park, Jeanette, Aliquippa, Canonsburg, Gasseville,
Bethel Park, Mom. Allegheny County.
inside a well-built structure and stay away from
Oh
windows.
no!
This storm is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for portions of southwest, west central, and western Pennsylvania.
Doubleheader!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Noble, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, western Columbiana County in east central Ohio, Guernsey County in east central Ohio, Harrison County in east central Ohio, western Jefferson, Ohio County in east central Ohio, Monroe County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 19 miles north of Strasburg to near Caldwell, or along a line from 24 miles north of Dover to near Caldwell, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Tuscarawas and Guernsey counties into locations east of Interstate 70.
Wow.
Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement reported. Widespread down trees and power lines have been reported from Coshocton and Muskingum counties where the line previously passed. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Salem, Cambridge, Uwicksville, St. Clairsville, Barnesville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Westfield,